Hey, it's Ronan with the August Monthly Challenge. This month, I'm asking you to explain the chords behind a song that you know and improvise a melody over it. I'll break it down. Every song that we play across any genre is made up of chords. Whether it's Mary Had a Little Lamb, C, F, G, and C, those three chords, all the way to El Chocolatanga, also three chords, D minor, A major, D minor, and G minor. Similar kinds of chords. The point of this challenge is to understand that melody and notes don't exist up here. There's always a foundation, and that foundation is chords. And that's what I'm asking you to walk me and the community through. So, as an example of a monthly challenge, beginner players, choose a song that you already know, like Mary Had a Little Lamb. You don't need to play it on your right hand. I'm asking you to look at the chord chart, either through Accordion Love or however you derive it. Let's say Mary Had a Little Lamb in C major. This would be an entry. Go through the chords. C major, ba 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 ba. G major, C major, C major, da da da. G major to C. Those two chords are C and G. That's the chord progression of the song. The actual chord progression is C da 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 da, G ba ba, C da da, and then again C da 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 da, G to the C. That's your monthly challenge. I want you to understand the chord progression. Those of you that are more advanced, I'd like for you to improvise a melody on top of it. Now, improvise a melody sounds difficult. What I'd like for you to do, the real work, is in playing the chord with your right hand. C major is a C, E, G. And an improvisation is just taking those notes and playing them different than the melody. So when the chord is C major, the notes of the improvisation will likely be the notes from the C major chord. That's an improvisation. Maybe it's that. It's not. That's the melody. The improvisation could be any combination of notes of the chord that we're playing. C major. When we switch to G major, the chord G major contains these notes. I'm going to continue the improvisation using those notes. Back to C major. Again. That's my monthly challenge entry. For those of you that want some bonus points that are more adventurous, take someone else's chord progression and improvise over it. Either over there playing, if you're able to, play it on a phone, play it on another device and improvise over it, or take the chord progression and make your own improvisation. If someone's playing Bella Ciao, the chord progression, D minor, D minor, D minor, D minor, D minor, G minor, to D minor, to A major, to D minor. Improvise. G minor, D minor. Etc. That's what I'm asking you to do. Entries are due by the end of August. This is a way of, there's no right answer. You get to see students of all levels doing the same challenge. If you do this 6 times in a year, I send you exclusive Accordion Love merchandise. This is open to Accordion Love students, but I encourage you to check it out. You'll see the entries if you're an Accordion Love member in the dashboard, and starting next week, you'll see the public entries on the Accordion Love homepage. I encourage you to check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy the challenge.